Welcome to my channel. Today I will explain about Jinja Templates. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Let's start. So Jinja Templating allows you to use dynamic content in your parameters inside the task. So you always need to check if your task is accepting or no the Jinja templating. To check that, you have two options. You can check the documentation. For example, you can search for bash operator, and then you can search for templating, and it say that you can use Jinja templates. The another way is to check the source code. For example, when we create a bash operator, we can press in VS Code Control and then click this bash operator, and we need to search for this line, templated fields. So these parameters inside your task can accept Jinja templating, bash command env and cwd. This part of the code is called Python hints. So it means that this field will be the sequence type. So it's the same as like this. The syntax for Jinja templating in Airflow is double curly so the syntax for Jinja templating in Airflow is double curly brackets like this. So Airflow has a lot of context variables that you can use. The context variables are templated fields that can access a different context variables provided by Airflow, like the execution date, the execution time will be TS, the previous execution date, the next schedule execution date, etc. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know how can I improve my videos. Thank you for watching.